The Karen Reed jury is deadlocked. What happens now? Fuel me once here, driving instructor of the world. In one of the most bizarre cases since Darrell Brooks, the Wisconsin parade unaliver who represented himself in court, this case has had it all. Accusations of police corruption, accusations of fixing the case, accusations of her being an unaliver. This is a case where she supposedly, allegedly, backed over her boyfriend and left him to be unalived in the snow. You've probably heard about it. So after 3 days of jury deliberation, they came back into the court and said, hey, we cannot reach a decision despite our best efforts. They've asked the judge some questions. The court allowed a change to jury instructions. But Judge Beverly Canone sent them back saying, I'm not sure you've really done your due diligence. You need to do this again. Now, by law in the Commonwealth, a judge can send them back one time. But in this case, she subverted that by saying, well, I'm not sure you did your due diligence. You need to try again. That's not officially sending them back. What she did was cast doubt on their efforts so far, the judge. We don't know what the split is. We can never know because it's illegal to ask. The jury can volunteer and say in a note, oh, well, we're, 6-6 or we're 4-8 or whatever. Usually they don't do that. And again, illegal to ask. So we don't know. If you've seen any speculation, and there's a great deal of it, because there's 6 men and 6 women on this jury, there's a lot of speculation on the deadlock, but none of it is accurate. One of the difficulties of this situation is if the jury does come back with guilty, it could be considered coercion, and that's grounds for appeal. If it goes on too long, there's often a lot of pressure on the minority members of the jury. So, again, the judge can send them back officially one time. After that, it can only be done with consent of the jury. Okay, we'll go back and try harder, but they're not obligated to. As of now, Karen Reed is still presumed innocent. But the jury resumes their deliberations on Monday. Would you cave if you really believed in someone's innocence or guilt and you sat on a jury? On the road of life, please drive kind.